So write the following as fractions as decimals. Now we're going to be changing these fractions into decimals. When we change fractions into decimals, what we do is what we read. This reads 3. That line means, what does the line mean? Divide. So 3 reads 3 divided by 10. Now because we're dividing by 10, we don't need to use the bus stop method. We use the method that we learned before. So we put the decimal point at the end of the 3 where it belongs and move the decimal point one place back. So the answer becomes 0.3. So this is what the fraction means over here. And this is how we do it. So the rest of these are done in a similar fashion. It's the top number divided by the bottom number. So if I wanted to do 9 over 100, so that means 9 divided by 100. So we say 9 divided by 100. So what we could do set that over here if you wanted to. Here's the 9. We're going to divide the 9 by 100. Put the decimal point at the end and go back by 2 places because we divided by 100 now. Drop the decimal point down and that will give us an answer of 0.09. So the fractions that involve tens and hundreds and thousands are the easiest ones to do. It's the ones which don't involve that which are a bit more exciting for us to do. We'll do those as well. Okay. What I would like you to do now is have a go at some of these questions. So if I look at these two over here. Okay, now let's look at those fractions, okay, which are not tenths or hundreds, and how we deal with those. The technique is the same as it is the top number divided by the bottom number. So for example, 2/5 means, what does it mean? It means 2 divide by the bottom number, which is 5. And we do 2 divided by 5. The 5 goes first into the bus stop and then the 2 goes first, the 2 goes second. Now we can extend the number 2, make it into a decimal, 2.0, because we'll need that when we do our conversion. Now here comes the question. How many 5s go into 2? The answer is nothing, remainder 2. How many 5s go into 20? And the answer is 4. So 2/5 is equal to, as a decimal, 0.4. That's how you do that. So now we're using bus stop technique to do the division. The second number goes first and the first number goes second into here. Okay, sometimes you can get recurring decimals. Like for example, if you do question number 8, because when you do 1 divided by 3, how many is equal to 1? It will be continuously keep on going and you'll have to stop somewhere, 1 decimal place or something. Okay, let's have a look at 1/8. Our next question. So this, when you read this fraction, it says the top part is 1. Then this part here reads divide, and the bottom number is 8. So when you're reading this fraction, you're reading it from top to bottom. 1 divided by 8. Okay, now we're going to do 1 divided by 8. What did we say? Second number goes first, and the first number goes second. Okay, so what we're going to say here, we are saying that the 8 is going to go outside here, and the 1, we're going to make it into 1.0, Copy the point up there so we get everything ready. That's how we set out the question when we start doing these questions. So how many 8s go into 1? 0 remainder? Remainder 1. So that number becomes a remainder. How many 8s go into 10? Remainder? 2. So when you put the 2 here, you have to add another 0 on. So we extended the number 1 as a 1.0. The number hasn't changed yet. It is still the same. How many 8s into 20? 2. Remainder? So another 0. Remainder 4. So we've got to extend the line a bit. So we're carrying on at the moment for 3. So how many 8s in 40? That'll give you exactly 5. Let me stop there. So this decimal number terminates at the third decimal place. It stops, which is good. Some questions will go on and on. You have to decide to stop somewhere and then round it off. You can't just carry on going the remainders forever. So that will give us an answer of 0.125. Okay. Are we happy with that? Right. So some questions for you to do now. I want you to do question number 7. Do one that kind of goes on for a bit. You have to round it off and stop somewhere. Okay, and hang on one second. What's this number here? Okay. Yeah, we'll do that one as well. You can do these 3 questions for me, please. Now.